Hello guys, welcome once again to another video, and this is Kilya. Well, I actually have had an issue while installing Filmora and I was able to fix it, so I'm actually dropping the solution for you guys, and I hope you guys stay tuned to the end of this video. Well, this video is for those who actually, while downloading or rather using Wondershare Filmora web installer, their installation stopped at probably 60% or 90% without completing, and it actually brought up an error code like retry or abort. Well, if you guys are watching this, don't forget to subscribe and also stay tuned for more videos. Anyways, so let's go on with the process. First thing you want to do is you want to go to the description, then copy the host code which is over there. Then the next thing you want to do is you want to go to your start menu. While in your start menu, you search for your notepad. Once you've seen your notepad, you are going to open as an administrator. So you're going to accept this as yes. So then you're going to paste the host code in notepad. So now we're just going to try to save this, but we are going to save as. Then we are going to look for the part where we are saving this. We are going into our local disk, then the Windows, then system 32, then drivers, and inside drivers we're going to open etc. Now we are going to rename the file as hosts, and the save as type, change it from text document to all files. Now it's going to bring up a list of files over here. Then we want to click on host, save it and replace it. Well, I'm not going to be doing this process again because I've already done this like about 3 times or so. But yeah, this video is actually going to help you guys. This process is actually going to help you guys. If it actually helped you, don't forget to drop something in the comments. If you're actually having more issues, don't forget to drop something in the comment and I'll get back to you guys. Well guys, that's all for this video, and hopefully I drop more videos on how to. Thank you guys for joining me once again, and stay tuned for more videos. Bye.